Hello guys, live withrow of Notcoin that is I explained in my channel. Now I received my coins in my wallet. Like you see, I have $69. We go now. I'll show you how to exchange. We go to our Notcoin. We click in exchange. Like you see in the wallet of Telegram, you click in exchange. If it says it's not available or any other thing, just repeat and repeat until it will exchange to USDT. USDT is for network TRC20, Tron TRC20. You change your Notcoin to USDT. Like you see, I will change now my USDT to my Notcoin to USDT, like shown below, and withdraw to my Binance account. In Binance, you choose, you click in deposit, you choose USDT, you choose the first network, Tron TRC20, like shown in the video. Just look at the video and do what I do. After a while, 5 minutes, you will receive your payment in your Binance, like you see in my video. Just complete watching. You will see my payment received of $16. There is a fee of $2. Don't miss any coin of Telegram. Work on all link of all mining coin will be in the description. Like I told you, never believe, some people never believe in that, but what I explained, it's happened. Notcoin now it's launched, and it's launched for a huge price, like you see, and it will be rise. We don't know exactly, but we can change. If we have Notcoin, you can change your Notcoin to USDT or any wallet that you want, Tron or any thing that you want. Like you see, you do like I do in the video, exactly. If it shows error, don't worry, just repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat until it will exchange. Let the wallet and return until it will be exchanged. All link of mining wallet of mining coins in Telegram will be in description. Don't miss anyone. The work in all. There is one of Yescoin. It's another. It's not Yescoin white. It's Yescoin yellow. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.